Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting Bad Omen and preparing gear. Kill a patrol captain to receive Bad Omen. Once done, don strong armor and carry a shield. Make sure to pack food and healing potions, plus building blocks to control space. Quickly set a respawn anchor or bed nearby in safe location, because you will trigger hostile waves. Don't waste time with extra decoration. Start heading to the target village immediately so you can initiate the raid efficiently. Once you enter the village, you will start the raid and see the raid bar. You need to control spawns by positioning yourself near the center of activity. Use choke points like narrow alleys or trenches to funnel enemies and place blocks to prevent flankers. Focus high-threat enemies first, Ravagers and Evokers. You defeat them to reduce overall danger. Make sure to switch between melee and ranged as needed, because Illagers and Vindicators will try to flank you and break defenses. You finish by eliminating the final wave and the captain, which grants Hero of the Village and big loot. Once done, help villagers and collect chest rewards and emerald discounts. Make sure to repair or replace damaged gear immediately, since salvage matters for the next raid. If things go wrong, retreat to a safe room, reset your Bad Omen by leaving and re-preparing, then return with reinforcements. More villagers, iron golems, or friends, because regrouping.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.